Hello, I'm Amy Bumpus with the Benedum Bumpus Group at Coldwell Banker Realty, and we are here today in the historic Brewery District. This is a wonderful community right off of downtown Columbus, and it's just a spectacular neighborhood. This area still embodies the original founders' visions of being fun, energetic, and creative. We're here today in the Schlee Malt House. This building is an old brewery that was actually rebuilt by brewer Nicholas Schlee in 1883. This is a wonderful loft. We're at 51 West Blenkner, loft 104, and you're gonna love the high ceilings, the structural architecture, the rounded windows, and the exposed brick in this home. This home is an end unit, which makes it full of windows and full of wonderful light. This open concept living space is very nice with wood flooring, a large living space with a fireplace, a dining room with an on-trend light fixture, and a spacious kitchen with granite counters, stainless steel appliances, and this home has great storage space. The two bedrooms are on each end of the unit, which make it perfect for having your owner's retreat with its ensuite bathroom, and the second bedroom is great for guests, for a roommate situation, or for a home office or a workout space. Speaking of the best bars and restaurants in Columbus, the owners have many favorites in this area. From LIndeys to Barcelona to the Walrus to Apline 614, Chapman's, Thurman's, and even Mikey's Late Night Slice. There are just too many to name, but we're sure you'll find your favorite restaurants here too. Also, there's lots of live entertainment here, and we're very close to German Village, which is also an excellent spot to meet people for coffee or ice cream. And the good news is that the Schiller Park Theater is returning this year for 2021. They have a lot of great performances lined up for adults and children, so you can spread your blanket on the lawn under the stars and enjoy theater once again in Schiller Park. We're also very close to the Ohio Theater, the Columbus Commons, the Palace Theater, all great live event venues that you're going to love. The Shadowbox Cabaret and Theater is actually right across the street. The historic Malt Schlee House is in a wonderful location for commuting all around Central Ohio. It's very close to freeway access without having to look at the freeway. And it's just minutes to downtown Columbus and only approximately 15 minutes to the John Glenn International Airport. You'll love this great community and all it has to offer. This home is listed for $315,000 and we'd love to show it to you. Please give us a call and we'll meet you here.